hours only? Can you stand that? So what will you do in 10 hours? What's that? Wow. Do you think the battery can survive? Yes. Feifei, you look tired na.
See you there.
Aww. See you, Ate Zoe in Pitsanulong. We're coming. Yay. Straight. Going to north. So, papunta naman ng Myanmar. It's, wow, this is it. The mountain was blah blah. Wow. Oh, may ganito pa rin palang dito. Wiggly woggly. And that's the mountain. Wiggly woggly. And tada, we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down, 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 down. Kala ko tapos na yung zigzag. Di pa pala.
Ay, wagili-wagili na naman to ah.
Woggly woggly. Ay, oo nga. Pati sa mapa parang pinalo ng ahas eh. Parang ahas na ano.
Ahas na pinalo.
Ahas na pinalo. Yeah, looks like, wow, daddy. Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
Tangchay ko.
Dito lang nasa likod.
Ha?
Dito lang nasa likod.
Hold kayo, hold. Careful,
Ano
daddy.
ba yan?
Alin?
Yung ubong ng...
Parang may narinig ako. So, we're gonna have like 114 kilometers more going to Mexico. Oh, ito na yung, ano nyo, na wiggly-woggly.
Yun, wagili-wagili na naman ito.
The thing here is, double lane na siya.
Triple lane na.
Triple lane. Kanina kasi, yes. Kanina kasi, ano lang, one lane kaya ang hirap.
Ang hirap pa rin.
Yes, we are inside the body of the snake. We're going up. Go up and down. Wow! Let's stay in the middle, Daddy.
Ang hirap naman dito.
Ay, saan? Sa ano?
Isa na may nasa likod. May na-overtake.
Sa tabi. So, si Daddy na kanina pa siyang nagko-control ng manibela at ng clutch at ng brake. So, hindi na mapinta yung ano niya, yung paningin niya.
Hindi natin sa ulan daan eh.
Oo.
Bago
And then I think, Daddy, this is your first time na mag-drive ng ano. O, tingnan mo naman yung mga ano,
So much
kasabayan, ang ganda-ganda. Yung gulong ang taas-taas. Pangbundok talaga. Wow, look at this! This is it. Look at the view. Wow. And we're gonna go up again. Wow. This is it. And the mountain is there. Oh my gosh. Punta na kami ng Baguio. Ganito ba ang Baguio? Hindi ko alam. Going down. Wow. Sige, ikaw na. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, Oh, see, oh. Nag-aalo pa sila eh. Oh, feel na yung pagtagilid. Oh, ano, we got a lot of slides na.
Ay, oh.
Grabe.
Cool.
Yeah, they're so cool.
It's more.
They're enjoying the zigzaggy. Oh, is this going to Baguio? Wala, hindi na kami papuntang Puerto. Baguio na kami.
Look like baby. There's like this in the Philippines as well.
I think dati parang mas mazigzag at mabundok dito kaysa sa Chayo. Nandito yung overview ng yung Pechapun na temple.
The White Temple.
The White Temple. Malapit lang pala yun dito. So we're here na pala. Puputok na naman yung tenga ko. Aahon na naman tayo nito. 1 hour. We're gonna have like 1 hour and 12 minutes.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow, look at that. It's like a fallen airplane.
Puno na
Mommy,
naman.
look at my background.
Ah,
Mommy, look at my background.
nice.
Mountains.
So ito, pasok na naman tayo sa green and zigzaggy
Kabila lang pala ang green.
area.
Oh, look at it.
We're gonna go up.
Look. At the look. Look. Oh, it's very big. Very high.
Look, it's in the other side of the road again. What is this? It's like a Chinese temple. Oh my gosh, it's going up. Oh my gosh.
Ano yan?
Wait, there is attraction sa labas sa taas. So kaya yung daan ng pa-temple doon na nakita natin. Anak, if you're... look at this road, Atete. Check this out.
Wow.
O ba?
Hi guys! I'm going to Pizza Noodle for real! Not like last time. Guys, you didn't know that. It took 10 hours already.
10 hours only? Can you stand that? So what will you do in 10 hours? What's that?
Play our eat.
Wow. Do you think the battery can survive? Yes. Fefe, you look tired na.
See you there.
Aww. See you, Ate Zoe, in Pitsanulok. We're coming. Yay. Touchdown to Pitsanulok City. So we are now in Pitsanulok City. Okay, here's macro.
In 600 meters, slide right.
Alright. Touchdown na kami. Ito yung minutor nating macro, di ba?
Oh.
So, yay, we're here! And the two kids survived the long trip. Wow! Galing-galing naman ang dalawang to. Because of the help of that tablet. And flex to daddy! He survived the driving! Ang galing-galing ni dating mag-ano pala eh. Pwede na natin siyang isali sa ano,
Sa loob.
sa car race. in Pitsanulok. We're in the city. Just around 9 minutes, we're gonna be with Ate Zoe and
Mommy,
Tita.
I thought we're now. I thought we're already in Auntie Zoe's, almost in Auntie Zoe's house.
Yes, almost.
Almost.
Oh, we have only
9
9
minutes.
minutes to go. Can you remember this? So, touchdown na kami sa
Mommy, I
Pitsanulok.
remember this city.
For how many years?
I remember
Ilang years
this.
na tayo hindi nagpunta dito, Daddy?
Or
4 years. Kasi before, nagmi-meeting lang kami sa Rayong. Last year sa Rayong. And then last 2 years ago, we went to Hua Hin.
And last time
Other province.
Other province
And
in
last time
Kellen
we
sa
failed.
Po?
Last time we failed.
Yes. Last time we
we
failed.
planned.
We planned to come, but we went back because
Auntie Zoe's mom said.
what did she say? Oh, road widening here in Pitsanulok. So we're here. Thank you, Dream. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Lord. And thank goodness to the 2 kids here. They're not pasaway.
Hello, Jessica.
Just leave.
Just a little bit. It's okay.
Mommy, who's that? Nobody.
Huh?
La Lisa.
Oh, that's Lisa.
The boy.
I don't know.
Bye. We're here.
Come on, come on.
There you go. So this is their house. Yan. Maraming boat. Okay. It's closed outside. So we need to doorbell them. We're here.
We're in our destination.
Our destination is the hotel.